Hiccups for Mama. Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay, girl. Oh, we hate the hiccups. They're terrible. Oh, you're gonna kill me for filming this. Yes, you are.